Hello kids, welcome to my channel Knowledge First to Fifth. If you are first on my channel, so like, share and subscribe. Okay, today we learn uses of water. Okay, so let's start. First, drinking. Drinking. We use water for drinking. For aquatic life. Aquatic life. For swimming. Swimming. For swimming. Swimming. For fountains. Fountains. For fountains. Fountains. For bathing. For bathing. For bathing. For bathing. For construction. Construction. For plants. For plants. For industries. For industries. For cleaning floors. Cleaning floors. For cooking. For cooking. For washing utensils. Washing utensils. For farming. For farming. Okay kids, subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye bye.